If you're an Apple user juggling multiple passwords, you might be wondering if Apple Passwords is the solution you need. But does it truly live up to the hype, or are there hidden drawbacks? Let's dive into what this password manager really offers. Apple Passwords is designed to help users securely store and manage their passwords across all Apple devices. It integrates seamlessly into the Apple ecosystem, offering features like automatic password filling in Safari and enhanced security through Face ID or Touch ID. The user experience is pretty straightforward. Just create or import your passwords and you're set. One standout feature is the way it suggests strong passwords when you're creating new accounts, which can save you from using easy-to-guess passwords. However, it's important to note that this tool is primarily for Apple users, which might limit its appeal for those who use multiple platforms. While the interface is clean and intuitive, some users may find it lacks advanced features that dedicated password managers offer, like secure password sharing or multi-device syncing outside of Apple products. Overall, it feels user-friendly, but there are definitely areas where it could be clearer, particularly for those new to password management. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Apple Passwords is incredibly user-friendly, especially for those already embedded in the Apple ecosystem. The security features are robust, and it's nice to have everything integrated into iCloud for easy access. However, there are some frustrations. If you're looking for cross-platform support, you might be left wanting, since it doesn't work well with non-Apple devices. Some users have also pointed out that it lacks advanced features like password audits or sharing capabilities, which can be a deal breaker for those needing more functionality. Additionally, there's the question of trust. While Apple has a solid reputation for security, the lack of transparency in how data is managed could raise eyebrows for some. Overall, it suits casual users well, but power users may find it lacking. In conclusion, Apple Passwords is a solid choice for Apple users looking for a straightforward, secure way to manage their passwords. If you're deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, it's worth a try. However, if you need advanced features or cross-platform support, you might want to explore other options. It's not perfect, but it does the job for many.